Coming up on See Your House Now, the series. A 16,000 square foot home with every amenity you can imagine. Pinball parties, three-pointers, and a walk-in closet that is a dream come true. Plus,
it reminds me of something you'd see in Vegas at the Wynn.
Ponds, a pool, and plenty of privacy.
Let's go.
Faisal Suziwala takes us through a multi-million-dollar estate with a feature you rarely see. What exactly is this? Where are we standing? Plus, location, design, and functionality. Why this private hideaway in Cambridge is our home of the month.
Everything was designed by the current homeowners, and everything was designed with quality in mind.
And from the average selling price to number of days on market, Marty Fraser, the bearded realtor, joins us in studio to break down your local market stats. What do they mean for buyers and sellers?
Buyers are being picky, they're taking their time.
It's your exclusive look inside some of the hottest listings around and the stories behind them. Join us for See Your House Now, the series.